Hey guys, this is me and Teresa. We're sitting here working on the logo and on the YouTube page, trying to get everything set up, trying to do a little editing. And since we weren't able to work on the car today because of the rain, we got rained out earlier. We're about to show you the logo here in just a second. Hey guys, so here's our logo that we're working on. Any ideas, you're welcome to share. Tell us what you think while we're working on it. Want to give you kind of an update. I got to give a big shout out to Teresa though, because she is such a huge help to us, helping us get everything up and going, helping us create logos, get tags on the YouTube channel, getting everything done on this computer, because I'm not very intelligent with computers, but she is a computer whiz. So everybody give a big shout out to her. Say your hellos. Alright, so we're about to walk outside so we can see the progress that Brian's done on the car, get an update for y'all, and let everybody know what's going on. Try to get some pictures to finish editing up, and we'll be right back.
Hello everybody, welcome to STNL. Right here, of course, you already know this is a 1979 Trans Am. Currently, right now, what we're actually trying to do, right over here, we have a 1980 Camaro with rear end, leaf springs, and of course shocks. On our car, you already know that mainly the tires are for looks. We don't currently have the rear end in it. It has the shock tires in it, but we're going to take them out. Everything's going to be replaced on it as far as rear end as it goes. It doesn't have leaf springs in it right now, so we're just going to kind of salvage a little bit out this car here, get the leaf springs rear end out, and throw in our car so that we can hopefully get this thing out from its resting place and start actually doing some good work, like of course replacing the floor pans and everything. Like again, this car right here, like I showed you in the previous video, has the floor pans for it that we will be cutting out. We're also probably here soon going to start kind of doing a little bit of rust preventative, because it's going to be a little bit before we actually get it painted or anything. So we're going to kind of do a rust sand on the car, kind of do a little some with that, just kind of help it make it look a little better and keep it from getting worse than what it is. If you look now, we already have a tarp on the other side. We kind of been fiddling a little bit. We was also, here's a good little update, also able to find the back trim for the window. This just kind of sits around the car. This is actually the other side of the car for it, but actually home. I'll get it right in a second, my bad. But we now have another piece to the puzzle, and that will sit there, and the window will go in. We're actually, right now I'm working with one of my recent contacts I've gotten in with on trying to get the back window. We're going to try and get the T-top so that we can get it all closed up, and also help from Mother Nature taking worse course on it. And I would also like to introduce one of the people that you're going to be seeing a lot on this car and everything. And there he is trying to run off right now. Get your butt over here. Everybody, this is John. Welcome to the channel. He's a little goof troop. Excuse him right now. He is actually also the current owner of the property we are on. He's a good friend of mine. We actually go pretty far back together. So everybody can really thank him for this project and for other projects coming up, because he has a couple of projects himself that we're also going to be working on this channel. So right this moment, that's about all I can say until we actually can start getting the rear end out, because we're running into little difficulties with a couple bolts and stuff. Till then, see you next time, and remember, smoke tires, not meth.